Good morning, children. Now we are learning about the fifth lesson. In the previous class, we learned about the primary education. Today, we are going to learn about secondary education. Okay, take the page number 24. After independence, Education Minister Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad decided to bring about fundamental changes in the field of education. The University Education Commission was set up for this purpose. This commission recommended the appointment of separate commission for secondary education. Accordingly, in 1952-53, the Mudaliar Commission was appointed. At that time, the pattern of education consisted of 11th plus 4 year for the first degree or 11 plus 1 plus 3 years. So, we are learning about the secondary education. So, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was the first education minister of India. He decided to bring about the fundamental changes in the field of education. Means our education system was in complication. The last class we saw that according to the census of 1951, our literacy level was 17% only. So, this Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, he decided to bring some changes in our education system. For that, he set up a commission that is known as University Education Commission, and this commission recommended recommended the appointment of separate commission for the secondary education. So, according to this, they set up Mudaliar Commission. That is the another commission. Okay, and at that time, the education pattern, it was 11 plus 4 or 11 plus 1 plus 3. This was the pattern of our education system. Means after the 11th, there will be board exam, then 1 year, then after 3 years, the board exam for the degree. This was the pattern of exam in those days. And the work of the commission, work of the Mudaliar Commission. The commission studied secondary education, the nature of curriculum, medium of instruction, teaching methodology, and made certain recommendations. This commission studied about all the education system of India, and they studied about the curriculum, medium of instruction, about all these things, and they decided some new patterns. And this commission proposed the concept of higher secondary education. Means the pattern was 11th plus 1 plus 3 or 11th plus 4 years. So, this commission recommended that this system is not good. So, we have to do this higher secondary education. Means after 10th, the 11th and 12th. Means 10th plus 2 plus 3. This system, this commission recommended. However, it was found difficult to implement it implemented it all over the country. It was very difficult to implement this system in our country. So, then next, the another commission appointed. That commission is known as Kothari Commission. In 1964, the commission was appointed under the chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari. Dr. J.P. Nayak made valuable contribution to the work of this commission. So, first, the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad set up University Education Commission. Then after that, the Mudaliar Commission was appointed in 1952-53. Then in 1964, Kothari Commission was appointed. So, it's a chairman of this commission was Dr. D.S. Kothari, and Dr. J.P. Nayak give the valuable contribution for the work of this commission. This commission also recommended the 10th plus 2 plus 3 pattern. Means now we are having this type of pattern. 10th plus, after 10th there will be board exam, then after 2 years 12th board exam, then 3 years for the degree. So, this pattern for the secondary, higher secondary and university education. This system was implemented from 1972. The commission also suggested a uniform national system of education. The inclusion of the mother tongue Hindi and English in education means it was decided that three languages, mother tongue, English and Hindi. We know that we are having three languages we have to study. It's Marathi, English and Hindi. In Kannada, in Karnataka, they have to learn Kannada, English and Hindi. So we have to learn three languages. Three languages should be taught in the education system. This was the recommendation of Kothari Commission. And as well as continuing education, adult education, education by correspondence and open universities to make education trickle down to the lowest ranks of the society. Means not only that, they recommended about the open universities. Open universities is for what? If one's learning interrupted in between, they have the opportunity to learn. And there are opportunity for those who do not attend the school to take degree. For this, open university is opened, and continuing education, adult education program also recommended by Kothari Commission. It also recommended increased provision in the government's budget for the expenditure on education of neglected sections like the scheduled caste and tribes. So this commission recommended that the government should increase the provision in the government budget for the expenditure of the neglected education of the neglected system. Means separate funds are needed to the education for the education expenditure of the neglected section. So government should keep separate fund for that. That also was the recommendation of Kothari Commission. So the Kothari Commission recommended that this pattern 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern, and it recommended uniform national educational system, and it decided that three languages, mother tongue, English and Hindi, should be taught in the educational system. And this commission suggested about open universities, adult education and all. Then last point was separate funds are needed for the education expenditure of the neglected section of the society. For that, government should keep some money for the expenditure of the education of the scheduled caste and tribes. These were the recommendation of Kothari's commission. And Maharashtra government adopted the 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern in 1972 and conducted the first 10th board exam in 1975. You know, when was the first board exam conducted in Maharashtra? It is in 1975. And do you know it is written the Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education was established on the 1st January 1966 at Pune. This board conducted the school leaving examination of 10th and standard 12th. This board also published a periodical called Shikshan Sankraman. And so Maharashtra State established the Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education in 1st January of 1966, and in first 10th board exam conducted in Maharashtra in 1975. Okay, thank you.